So you're having slow eBay sales. I too have been through that, and so has everybody else. Let me share with you what I do to try to increase my sales, and it may or may not work for you, but hey, it's worth a try. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in my particular back office of eBay. No matter where you're at, just go ahead and click on marketing, or you can just go ahead and hover over marketing and click on promotions. But once you get to marketing, again, you're going to want to click on promotions over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new promotion by clicking on it. And you want to come down to sell event plus markdown. Now, there's several different things you can do here. You can take a percentage off. I recommend like 15%, or you can take a dollar amount off if you want to take a dollar amount off of each item. I would recommend like 15%, but you can test it and play with it and see what you want. Add another discount level. This simply means that if they got 2 items in their cart, now it'll take 16% off. If they got 3 items, 17, and so on. You can rank that up to say like if they've got several items in their cart, 19, and so on. So we're going to remove those. The next thing we want to do is we want to select the items. So we'll click on that. Now there's a couple of different things you can do here. You can create rules using categories, or you can select items on your own. If you want to create rules, you just come over here and you tell it either eBay categories, store categories, or all inventory to choose from. Once you've done that, then you can do things like exclude from price ranges, or just choose price ranges, things like that. Let's say I only want to choose products that are greater than $40. So we'll just do 40 to 500. Now you can see it's only got the items that are greater than $40 up to $500 in price there. And from here we can click on, gotta move myself down here. We can click on save and review, or we can also exclude items. Let's say, for example, I wanted to only choose these items, but I really don't want to include this Bell Howard projector in it. So I would just grab this item number here, and I'm going to click on copy, or you can click on Control C. Come up here to exclude, tell it you want to exclude an item number, paste that in there by either right clicking and clicking on paste, or pressing Control V and click exclude from offer, and then exit out of it, and you'll see that that Bell Howard projector has now disappeared. And once you've done that, you'll just click on save and review. But we're going to go back because we're going to select items. So you click on select items, and from here you can go all inventory, eBay categories, or store categories. I'm just going to go all inventory. Again, you can filter it by price ranges. You can filter it by how many days it's been on the site. You can search just for item titles, and you can go ahead and exclude discount items. So you can see all my items are already running at a discount. So if I click on that, only one item will be popped up, and that's my shoes here. That is not on a discount. So we'll unexclude that. And then what you would do at this point is you want to go ahead and click this box here. Unless you're going to just go through and select various items, you want to click on this box here so that it selects all 216 items. You're going to click on confirm selections. And once you're on this page, it's going to ask you to save and review. So at this point, what we'll do is we'll click on save and review. And now we get to add a name to it. So I would suggest you add something to it, like 15% off sale, everything. Only you're going to see this. Now we want to check when we want this date range to start. So we can go ahead and say we want this to start today, like start now, or you can say start at 12 p.m. on the 30th or something like that. And then we want to choose when it's going to end. I would suggest 7 days out. So if we started this one to say on the 30th, then I would end it on the 7th. Okay. Now you've got to add a description. Now the people, your customers will see this. Okay. So save 15% off today. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, of course, you want to add an image. I would go ahead and add a different image than what's there. It chooses a couple from, I don't know what it's doing. I don't know how it gets these or where it gets them from. But to choose an image, all you do is just click on the plus. So let's choose that image. Click on open. And you can see it put the little circle there. I created this image 15% off today. And we've got it. So now all we would do is click on launch, and it will launch this on April the 30th. But I'm going to go ahead and click on save for later to put it in a draft. I don't need to run that one right now. Now, what do you do if your prices are already low and you're thinking to yourself, well, I can't run a sale because my prices are already at the lowest point they should be? Well, increase your prices by whatever percentage you're going to bring them back down. People do this all the time and raise their price a little bit just to bring them back down to regular price. And what it does is it puts them back up there in the listings, the eBay algorithms as sales, and get you more eyeballs. Hopefully, get you more eyeballs and traffic on your products. Plus, a sale always creates urgency for people. You know, it's just a frame of mind. They see something on sale and they think, well, I got to get that while it's on sale. So what you do is come under your listings, okay, and you want to go ahead and select all of your listings just by checking that box. And you may, if you have multiple pages, you may have to do this to each page. Come over here to edit and click edit selected. And once you're on edit selected, what you want to do is you want to select every single product in this list that populates. And it's populating down here as we can see. And you just do that by clicking that checkbox and it'll do them all. Come over here to bulk edit and say edit by now price. Now once you do that, just say increase by and just put 15% and click apply. And now you've increased the price of all of your products by 15%. Now you can go in and run a 15% off special. So that's how you do it if the prices are already as low as you want to take them, but you want to be able to run a sale just to get that urgency in your store. So I hope you'll give this a try, and I hope it really works for you. I'll have more suggestions in the future on how you can increase your eBay sales, but hopefully this will be one of the ones that helps you create even more sales. Hey, if you found value in this video, please click the thumbs up. Be sure to like and share this video as well. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and trying to grow this channel of like-minded other resellers. And hey, we can all come together as one big community and learn from each other. I really appreciate y'all watching this video, and thank you so much for it. And until next time, I'll see you on the flip side.